About what?
Do you like street food?
Yes, I like that because it has a traditional flavor.
Well, I agree, but I think street food can be unsafe for our health.
Really? I
Yeah.
think it's okay. Why
Well,
do you think that?
well, many street vendors prepare food is too exposed to the road or the can be polluted with pollution and then can make it a little bit unhygienic, I think.
That's true. I've seen some vendors who don't wash their hands or use clean equipment and wash their tools with dirty water.
Exactly. The food is not prepared uh, correctly and properly. It can be uh, made our stomach perfect.
Right? That sounds dangerous, especially for our students like us who often buy snacks outside because the price.
Mm-hmm. Yes, but street food is have a positive side too. How many people earn money from their small business at the street?
I agree with that. Street food is also part of our culture and offers unique traditional flavor.
That's why family street food is not the better way. So we just need to be more aware from the food that we choose.
So, what do you think should be done?
The government should provide more about hygiene and food safety. Then they can use the clean water because I see they always use the dirty one.
That's a good idea. Regular inspections are also important to make sure vendors follow the rules.
Yes, as a consumer, you should be more careful and make sure the place was clean and have clean tools.
I agree with that. We should avoid a place that looks so dirty.
Exactly. That's why when we think about that, we can still enjoy the street food.
Right? Street food is good, but gigit ka tayo. Right? Street food is great, but our healthy is number one.
Yeah. How about we have some snack from the new one and from